Hello, welcome to Daily English Lines. I am Ella.
And I am Dylan. Hello, everyone.
Today we are talking about school.
Yes, school, a place to learn. Ella, do you like school?
I love school, Dylan. School is fun.
Today, we will learn simple words. We will speak slowly.
Listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's start. Section 1. Basic school objects.
Dylan, what is in your bag? In my bag, I have a book.
A book. Let's say it together. Book. I said book.
Good. Listeners, now it is your turn. Say book.
Great. I also have a pen. I write with a pen.
A pen, P-E-N, pen.
I have a pencil too.
A pen and a pencil. They are different.
Yes, I use a pen for my notebook. I use a pencil for my drawing.
Listeners, repeat after me. Pencil.
Perfect. So we have a book, a pen, and a pencil.
What else, Ella?
I have a notebook. I write my notes in the notebook.
Notebook. That is a long word. Notebook.
Let's practice. Listeners, say notebook.
Excellent. Book, pen, pencil, notebook. These are school things.
Section 2. People at school. Now, let's talk about people. Who is at school?
The teacher is at school.
Yes, the teacher helps us learn. I like my teacher.
Let's say it together. Teacher.
I said teacher.
Listeners, your turn. Say teacher.
And who are the other people? They are students.
I am a student. You are a student. We are students.
Exactly. Students learn. Teachers teach.
Listeners, repeat student.
Very good. Teacher and student.
Do you have friends at school, Ella?
Yes, I have many friends. My friends are also students.
Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends make school happy.
Let's practice. Say friend.
Where do we go at school?
We go to the classroom.
The classroom. This is the room with desks and chairs.
Yes, I sit in my classroom. I look at the teacher.
Listeners, repeat classroom.
After class, I go to the library.
Oh, the library. The library has many books.
Yes, it is very quiet in the library. I read books there.
Let's say it slowly. Library.
Your turn, listeners. Say library.
And where do you eat, Ella?
I eat in the cafeteria.
The cafeteria. Food and drinks.
I eat lunch with my friends in the cafeteria.
That sounds fun. Say cafeteria.
Dylan, what do we do at school?
We read. I read a book.
I write. I write in my notebook.
Read and write. Let's practice. Listeners, say read.
Now say write.
We also listen. We listen to the teacher.
And we speak. We speak English.
Yes, you are speaking English right now.
Let's repeat. Listen and speak.
Listeners, say listen.
Now say speak.
Good job, everyone. You are doing great.
What is your favorite subject, Dylan?
My favorite subject is math. I like numbers. 1, 2, 3.
Math is hard for me. My favorite subject is English.
English is great. We learn words and sentences.
I also like music. I like to sing at school.
Let's practice these subjects. Listeners, say math.
Say English.
Say music.
Wonderful. There are many subjects at school.
Okay, listeners, it is time for a small test.
Don't worry, it is easy. I will say a sentence, you say the word.
For example, I write with a
Pen.
yes. Okay, listeners, your turn.
Question 1. I read a.
The answer is book. I read a book.
Question 2. The person who teaches is the.
The answer is teacher.
Question 3. I sit in the.
The answer is classroom.
You are very smart. Well done.
Let's review all the words from today.
I will say the word. Dylan will say it again. You repeat at home. Book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
notebook,
notebook,
teacher,
teacher,
student,
student,
friend,
friend,
classroom,
classroom,
library,
library,
read,
read,
write.
write. That is a lot of words. You did a great job today.
School is a wonderful place to learn and meet friends.
Remember to practice every day. Listen to this podcast again.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.